everyone. I'm Rodolfo Yoshi, and I'm thrilled to spotlight the SQL project from the Business Analytics Nano Degree, one of the best-rated programs in the Udacity platform. I've been working as a mentor for almost 7 years, and I do this during evenings and weekends, as this is a part-time and fun, flexible side job for me. But let me tell you about the Business Analytics Nano Degree. This is a program where students will gain foundational data skills applicable to any industry. Our journey begins with Course 1, welcoming you to the program. In these initial lessons, students get acquainted with their instructors and learn how data is applied across various industries. They explore the course structure, navigation, and get ready for the hands-on experience that lies ahead. The first project challenges you to interpret a data visualization, laying the foundations for the analytical skills that you will cultivate throughout the program. Moving on to Course 2, Introduction to Data. Students delve into the world of statistics and visuals. They develop skills to manipulate, analyze, and visualize data, leading to the first major project, analyzing New York Stock Exchange data. This project propels you into the realm of financial analysis, where you will calculate summary statistics, create data visualizations, and even forecast financial metrics. Course 3, SQL for Data Analysis, takes our learners into the field of Structured Query Language, SQL or SQL. The project challenges students to extract and analyze information stored in a database. You will become fluent in SQL commands, use joins to answer complex business questions, and aggregate data to gain valuable insights. The fourth course, Data Visualization with Tableau, marks a pivotal point in our journey. In the project Build Data Dashboards, students harness the power of Tableau to create interactive dashboards from a database of flight delays and cancellations. They acquire the skill of creating visually appealing and concise data visualizations, mastering the art of storytelling through data. This hands-on experience will solidify your ability to communicate complex insights effectively. The program is designed for a diverse audience, welcoming beginners who want to enter into the world of business analytics, as well as current data professionals looking to either enhance their skills or learn more about a specific analytical tool. So whether you are a recent graduate aspiring to launch a career in data analytics, or a business professional aiming to leverage data for informed decision-making, this program might be the right choice for you. Along this journey, students are guided by industry experts and seasoned professionals, as well as mentors like me, who will support you at every step of the way. Udacity's proven approach for building job-ready digital skills includes hands-on projects, knowledge resources, interactive workspaces, quizzes, custom study plans, and progress trackers. The personal touch by experienced project reviewers offer tailored feedback and support at every step of the way for accelerated learning. And personalized career services empower individuals for job readiness. And now, we're going to review the SQL project in the Business Analytics Nano Degree. This is the third project in the Nano Degree, and it is my favorite. Imagine being part of the Chinook team, a musical music store. You are a crucial member of the business analytics team, and your role is pivotal for the success of the company, as the team relies on your skills and knowledge to unravel the valuable insights behind the data. For example, you can help the team by answering questions like, which are the top 3 genres by popularity? How many customers do we have in each city? Or what is the total sales amount by country? This database holds key information about albums, media types, playlists, employees, invoices, and more. This schema illustrates the relationship among all 11 tables. So your first step will be setting up the Chinook database in your local environment by downloading DB Browser for SQLite. We provide step-by-step instructions on how to download and install the application. This option is great as it is very responsive and allows you to load other databases for your own practice or work. But if you can't or don't want to download it, don't worry. You can use the Udacity provided online workspace to run your queries. This option is great as you can access the database from any computer with internet access, but the workspace is restricted to the Chinook database. Now the real adventure starts as you tackle a series of SQL question sets. These questions serve as the checkpoints confirming your mastery of the SQL concepts learned throughout the course. They are your self-assessment guide, ensuring that you're well prepared for the actual project. Now, the stage is yours, and with no right or wrong answer, you're free to be creative in the questions you pose. Craft your own SQL queries that pull the necessary data to answer those questions. And then you will create a presentation in the form of an executive summary, where you present a brief description of your results and insight, accompanied by a visualization. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Here, what I'm displaying is the interface of DB Browser for SQLite, and I crafted one query. In this case, the query is intended to pull two results: cities and total sales. The intention here is to aggregate data of total sales by different cities, and you can see that by the use of the group clause and as well the order by clause, as I want the data to be ordered in descending order. And as well, I only want the top 5 results. Once I have this information, and validate that the results are correct and the query is working, I would copy-paste these results and I would paste them in a spreadsheet. Let me show you. In this spreadsheet, I have copy-pasted the results, and then I have created a chart. In this case, I have a bar chart. What we're looking is to have clarity in the description of the data. So make sure that you're providing a descriptive title and descriptive Y and X axis titles and labels, as well as a brief description of the insight that you're working. Once you have that, make sure to create a presentation. We're looking for a presentation with at least 4 slides, and you should save it as a PDF. Here, as you can see in this slide, I have a proper title for the slide. I have copy-pasted the visualization, and then I'm providing as well a brief summary of my insight. For example, here we have the top 5 cities by total sales, London being the number 1 city with $26.6 million in sales. And then I'm adding as well a little bit of a narrative that supports the context of this analysis as to put the business case of why is this relevant. Further analysis is recommended to understand why the following 4 cities are in Latin America and how the company could improve future sales in those cities. So make sure to come up with at least 4 different insights, and once you have that, make sure to put them in one single folder where one of the files is going to be the 4 queries that you created and the other file is going to be the presentation. The folder should be zipped, and that folder is the one that you will be submitting. Ready for submitting the project? Do it with confidence by checking the requirements and submission guidelines outlined in the project submission details page. And double check that you have covered every single point in the project rubric page, right here. But if you still have questions and feel stuck navigating the project, remember that you're not alone. A wealth of knowledge is at your fingertips in our knowledge database. You can explore common questions, seek guidance, and benefit from the collective wisdom of your fellow students. Or ask a mentor directly, and we will provide you with a personalized answer. I'm looking forward to marking your project submission, me or any of the many Udacity mentors across the world. So there you have it. The Business Analytics Nano degree is not just another course. It's an opportunity for growth, discovery, and mastery of in-demand skills. So enroll today and unlock the door to endless possibilities in the world of business analytics.